What's going on, guys? Josh Baldwin here for Mad Money Millennial. Now that like and subscribe button misses you a lot, so please show them some attention. On this channel, I offer tips on personal finance and the latest and greatest in financial news. In this video, I wanted to give you guys a review of the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card. Wow, that's a mouthful. First things first, this credit card is an excellent option for those of you with credit scores around 670 to 850. This card also features an easy cashback program of 1.5% on each purchase every day. Moreover, this card charges no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, and your rewards do not expire for the entire lifetime of this card. When you sign up for this card, you'll receive a one-time $200 cash bonus reward when you spend $500 on purchases within 3 months of your account opening. A 0% intro APR on purchases for 15 months. An awesome perk for those of you just getting started with either building credit or repairing credit, because it really gives you that much needed time to focus on your financial planning and debt reduction goals. Now, following this 15-month period, this card does hold a variable APR rate of 15.49 to 25.49%. Pretty average APR rate for most credit cards. Now, one great thing about this credit card is its simplicity. No worrying about various fees or interest accrual, at least until after the 15-month intro period, and a simple flat rate on cashback rewards. Additionally, with the welcome bonus requirement only being $500 in purchases within 3 months, you shouldn't have too much of an issue obtaining the cash reward bonus simply by regularly purchasing your groceries and gas with it. Now, although this credit card may seem like a viable option as a starter credit card, in my opinion, you're better off starting with a credit card with a lower credit score requirement. This card's credit score requirement is a little bit on the higher range for most credit cards. So you may find it more beneficial to start with a credit card that offers similar benefits in terms of simplicity, but with a lower credit score requirement. And then choose to switch back over to this credit card after a solid 1 to 2 years of building credit with your first credit card. All in all, this credit card is fantastic for people not wanting to constantly stress over the appearance of surprise fees and unexpected interest or charges, and would benefit from the ease of claiming that $200 welcome bonus as well as the 15-month intro APR period. All right, guys, that's all the details I have for you guys regarding the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card. Stay safe, stay hustling, and I will talk to you guys again soon.